In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase and apply discounts through QuickBooks in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing business expenses, client invoices, or offering promotions, QuickBooks makes these tasks straightforward. So let's dive into this process step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly for you. First things first, let's start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the QuickBooks homepage and look for the Sign In button. Click on it to begin your journey. If you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is crucial as it will direct you to the correct platform for managing your purchases and discounts. If you're already a user, you'll be familiar with your credentials. Simply enter your username and password and click on Continue. This will take you into the system where all of your accounting magic happens. Once you're signed in, look for the New button in the navigation toolbar. This is where you can start creating new transactions or entries in QuickBooks. Click on New, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoice. An invoice is a key tool for requesting payments from customers and is an excellent way to incorporate discounts. Next, you need to add your customer to the invoice. Click on the field for Customer, and you can either choose from your existing list or add a new customer if they're not already there. Make sure your customer's information is correct to ensure that they receive the invoice without any issues. With your customer selected, it's time to add the products or services that you're invoicing for. Find the product or service section and enter the details of what you are selling. Be sure to verify the prices and descriptions to ensure accuracy for both you and your customer. Now you can add the discount. Look for the discount section in the invoice template. Here you can determine the amount or percentage you wish to deduct. Applying discounts directly within the invoice makes it transparent and convenient for your clients, as they can clearly see what they're saving. Finally, with everything in place, the last step is to click on Save and Send. This action not only saves the invoice to your QuickBooks account, but also sends it directly to your customer, streamlining the entire process. Ensure you review the invoice once more before sending it to ensure all the details are correct and as intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully purchased and applied discounts using QuickBooks. This process not only helps manage finances efficiently, but also enhances customer relations by providing them clear information on their savings. Until next time, happy accounting.